welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we take you through the latest legal developments across the country. Let's take a look at the headlines. Supreme Court to hear plea of IPS Officer Sanjay Kundu, challenging his removal as Himachal Pradesh DGP. Plea in Bombay High Court seeks implementation of Casino Act. Karti Chidambaram appears before ED for questioning in visa scandal money laundering case. Canada-based Gangster Goldy Brar declared a terrorist under UAPA by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Now the headlines in detail. The Supreme Court today agreed to hear the plea filed by IPS Officer Sanjay Kundu, challenging his removal from the post of Director General of Police in Himachal Pradesh. Kundu approached the Apex Court in wake of a High Court order passed on December 26, 2023, directing the state government to transfer Kundu along with Kangra Superintendent of Police. A bench presided over by the Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, along with Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice Manoj Mishra, acknowledged the submissions made by senior advocate Mukul Rohatgi, the counsel for Kundu. Rohatgi argued that the High Court decision did not afford Kundu an opportunity to be heard and to present his case before the order to transfer him was issued. Notably, following the directive from the High Court, Kundu was transferred to Ayush Department by the Himachal Pradesh state government as Principal Secretary. The High Court's decision came on a plea filed by a businessman, alleging threat to his life due to Kundu's position and influence. Previously, Kundu also filed a defamation case upon the businessman for tarnishing his image and reputation with his claims. In a significant development, Transvision Production Company has taken the Maharashtra state government to the Bombay High Court, urging prompt action on the long-pending implementation of the Maharashtra Casinos Control and Tax Act of 1976. The company contends that despite the legislative green light given 47 years ago to the act, designed to legalize and regulate gambling in licensed casinos, the implementation of the law is overdue. As a result of the non-implementation, individuals face criminal prosecution under the archaic Maharashtra Prevention of Gambling Act of 1887. The plea claims that despite the 1976 Act receiving the assent of the governor in July the same year, the state government has failed to specify the commencement date or formulate accompanying guidelines. The legal saga has a history, with a public interest litigation filed in 2015, directing the state to make a decision upon the implementation of the law within 6 months. In 2020, Transvision sought permission to establish a casino at a 5-star hotel. However, the company encountered delays after a 7-member study group was formed. In August 2022, a meeting was held to decide on the implementation of the act, which turned out to be futile, owing to the absence of key officials. Transvision alleges that repeated reminder and a legal notice yielded no response from the authorities, prompting the company to approach the High Court. In a recent development, Member of Parliament Karti Chidambaram has been faced with a renewed round of questioning by the Enforcement Directorate today, in connection with a money laundering case linked to the issuance of visas to Chinese nationals in 2011. Karti was questioned previously on December 23rd of the preceding year, during which his statement was recorded under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. The case stems from the FIR filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation, based upon the investigation alleging kickbacks amounting to 50 lakh rupees paid to Karti and his close aide S. Bhaskara Raman by a top executive of the Vedanta Group. This payment was purportedly related to the reissuance of project visas for 263 Chinese workers involved in a power project set up by a Chinese company in Punjab. The CBI contends that the power project, executed by a Chinese company, was running behind schedule, leading to the need of visa reissuance. The exchange of the money is what prompted the CBI to initiate a probe. And last year, S. Bhaskara Raman was arrested, while Karti was subjected to questioning. Karti, however, has labelled the investigation as fishing and roving inquiry and claims to be innocent. Deeming the case most bogus, Karti asserted that he has submitted relevant documents to the investigating agency and argued that he never facilitated visa process for Chinese nationals. The Ministry of Home Affairs has officially declared Satvinder Singh, alias Goldy Brar, a terrorist under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act of 1967. Brar is a Canada-based absconding gangster and accused of involvement in smuggling high-grade arms, ammunition and explosives through drones from across the border. Brar's name has been added to the 4th schedule of the Act, making him the 56th terrorist on the list. The MHA reveals that he is associated with the Babbar Khalsa international terror outfit and has been involved in multiple killings while professing radical ideologies. Notably, he is also known for making threatening calls to pro-nationalist leaders and demanding ransom, and also posting claims of killings on various social media platforms. According to MHA, Brar along with his associates are active in conspiring to disrupt peace, communal harmony and law and order in the state of Punjab through nefarious designs, including acts of sabotage and establishment of terror modules, and to conduct other anti-India activities. The international community has also taken notice of Brar's activities, with a red corner notice issued against him by Interpol. Furthermore, a non-bailable arrest warrant has also been issued against him in December 2022, and a lookout circular has been released on June 15, 2022. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.